And it's more than, of course, laptops, PC products. As you know, today we launched a new line of products under the Acer Pure line, which is Acer Pure Beauty. And it's still in our core business to make sure that we achieve yung mission namin to break down barriers between technology and people in everyday lives, and lifestyle of the Filipinos. So with that, I'm very excited to showcase our promo later on, which will be discussed. And of course, the new products, AI PCs, again, Acer Pure Beauty, the hair styling products, as well as Acer tablets. Thank you so much, everyone, for being with us. I'm very happy to have, of course, our brand ambassadors always with us, SB19 and G22.